2x²
plus 7x
plus 7x
plus 3
plus 3. Next, factorize. 2x² plus 7x plus 3. First term, second term or middle term, and third term. According to rule, multiply first term and last term. First and last term multiply. 2x² multiplied by 3 is equal to 6x². ये प्रोडक्ट आना चाहिए इसका. अब यहाँ प्लस है. जब प्लस है तो मोस्टली हम क्या लेते हैं, मिड से. 7x का मिड ऑलमोस्ट 4x प्लस 3. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके देखें तो 12x². ओके, अब इसमें से एक बढ़ाइए और इसमें से एक घटा दीजिए. 5x प्लस 2x, 3x से 2x होगा, ये एक बढ़ गया. By increasing this, by decreasing this, 5 2 जा 10x². अभी ये अपने टारगेट से छोटे. और एक बढ़ाइए 6x, फिर इसको क्या कर दीजिए, इसको एक घटाना पड़ेगा. तो 1x और x क्या आ जाएगा, 6. That is split sign. So in this case 6x
plus 1x.
x 6 1x or x is a split, and this is the 2x². Okay. Taking common from this, 2x plus into 3 into x plus, it is x plus 3. So 2x here common, 2x taking common, x will here. Okay, this the sign is that. We can write 1 in multiplication. x plus 3 is common. इनमें से x plus 3 कॉमन है. यहाँ से आपने देख लिया 2x कॉमन लिया तो क्या बचा, x बचा. यहाँ से 3 बचा. ओके, तो x plus 3 taking common on both sides, तो 2x will and plus 1 plus 1 x plus 3 2x plus 1 or factors of 2x² plus 7x plus 3. Let us start. Factorize 3x² minus x minus 4. The first term is 3x, last term is 3x² multiplied by minus 4 is equal to minus 12x². Middle term is, that means 1x. When product is minor, then we are taking increase by 1 and decrease by. Increase in the value minus 2x plus x gives minus 2x square minus 3x plus 2x. By the sum it is again minus 1 x, and product is equal to minus 4x minus 12x². Splits of minus x minus 3x² minus 4x plus 3x, which are equal to minus x and minus 4. So it is splitting splits of minus x. So we are taking these two terms. That's it. X is common. X taking common. Minus 3 and x² means x into x. So minus 3x minus 4. What? It is plus. Okay. Now nothing to be common. So 3x
minus 4.
4. This and this common. 3x
Minus 4.
4 is common. It is
X
x and
1
this is a plus and this is 0. So 3x
minus
4 x plus 4 are the
factor of X square.
factors of
3x square minus X
minus 4.